welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna open Crystal Surprise with my little sister Caroline. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so let me show you mine. So we got Cinderella and Daisy.
And we have.
Oh, and you want to show one off? Say Cool Stitch. This is Cool Stitch.
This is Cool Stitch.
Cool Stitch.
And I cannot do.
And this is Angel.
And this is Mickey Mouse.
This is Mickey Mouse. This is Stitch. This is Minnie. And here is the other Mickey. Okay, let's open it.
Yay! Can I have mine?
Okay. Yeah, I've been doing it. Yay. Look at me, the scissors. Who are you gonna get?
Belle.
Belle? You think you're gonna? See. Oh my goodness! John, you got Stitch. You got Stitch. See, Stitch, we got him last time. You want Stitch?
Yeah.
Or do you want this?
Both.
No, you don't get both.
I want this.
Okay, and it comes with the air dry clay thing. I don't know, it's very fun to play with. Karen, you're gonna keep this.
I'm going to.
So hopefully you like this. Karen, say bye.
Bye.
Bye. See you next time.